Welcome back, everyone. Today we are making a delicious shrimp saganaki, a traditional Greek summer appetizer. Let's get started. We begin by sautéing 10 to 12 medium raw shrimps in a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil over medium heat. Let the shrimps cook 1 minute on each side. Now add 1 shot of ouzo and let them cook for 2 minutes. Flip them and repeat. Once the alcohol has been cooked out, remove them from the pan. In the same liquid, sauté 1 medium chopped onion, 4 chopped cloves of garlic, and a mix of finely chopped mushrooms. Bell peppers are optional, but add a great crunch. Add salt and pepper to taste. Now add 3 diced tomatoes and cook until there is no liquid left in the pan. Now we'll add our shrimps to the mix. Stir everything well and let them cook for a couple of minutes. Finish this delicious dish by adding 1 cup of crumbled feta and let it cook until it melts. And there you have it, shrimp saganaki. Enjoy them by adding some fresh feta on your dish with a shot of ouzo on the side. We hope you like this recipe and that you give it a try. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll never miss a future upload. Thank you for tuning in today, and see you next time on Plate on a Budget.